You are a mistake of a husband.
What?
Look at the way you were taking unmerited credit from me, as if you are the one that bought this my beautiful jumpsuit.
Oh, you shut up. Did I ask you to praise me? Did I beg for any praise? Besides, what do you do? Do you work? It's not my money that you keep stealing that you used to buy the clothes.
Who stole? Who are you calling a thief?
You.
Look at this one. I don't even know what I'm doing with you.
You keep wondering until I send you packing.
Who will you send packing? Look at this unmerited he-goats. Useless man.
What did you say? Come down.
What is it?
I said get down!
Michael, are you high on cheap drugs?
You will know if I am high on drugs or not by the time I pounce on you.
Stop disgracing yourself. Stop disgracing yourself. What's wrong with you? Wait. What is wrong with you? Michael, what is wrong with you?
I embarrassed myself.
Can you imagine? Look at the way people are just looking at you and you're happy. Look at this. You can open this door. Open! Michael! Look at this man, oh!
Nonsense. What kind of rubbish is this? Eh? Marry a wife that keeps embarrassing you, keeps insulting you. What kind of marriage is this?
This man is wicked, oh! Michael, you... Hey! This Michael doesn't have conscience at all! Look at the way he just abandoned his own wife on the road. Hey, this man has disgraced me. He has disgraced me. What am I supposed to do now? Eh?
As you make your bed, I saw you
I don't even
lie
think I
on
came out
top
with
of.
any money.
If you so kata kata,
I don't even have any
you
money.
go rip
How do I go home
jaga
now?
jaga. If you so tomato, you go chop
take a taxi.
tomato.
When I get home, I collect money from Sylvia. What if she's not at home? What am I supposed to do? Eh? And then the taxi man will now disgrace me. People may be thinking I'm running mad. I don't blame this Michael. This man doesn't have conscience. Michael, you're wicked.
As you make your bed, I saw you lie on top of. If you so kata kata, you go rip jaga jaga.
Though, don't worry, you'll be fine.
I don't know if Onyekemisu will agree to give us drugs. No, we still owe him 1,200 naira.
I know, but just go and try. There is no harm in trying.
Okay.
Just go, maybe he will give us some drugs.
Okay, let me try.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Don't know how to say thank you. When the world rejected me, you and your brother Uzochukwu became the world to me.
Joe, good afternoon.
Now, Uzo, this one you are running like this. We hope you have my money.
Joe, please, I need you to understand me more than ever. Rose is seriously sick, and I need you to give me some drugs. I'll pay you later.
Again? Wait. Uzo, you don't have money always. Get your name. You want to run this shop down? Every time, credit. See, if not because of this small love I'm having for your sister, I wouldn't have been giving you this thing. It's your run my shop down. Do you want to run down this shop?
Please.
Please.
When
will you even start having money?
As soon as I sell my farm produce, I will pay you immediately.
Nah. Take this malaria drugs, eh?
Okay.
If the symptoms persist, you bring her.
Okay, thank you.
You know?
Thank you.
Obafe also.
If you so kata kata, you go rip jaga jaga.
Where is your husband?
Oh, my husband. There is this gold that he saw. Fine gold. He said, let him get it for me. So I said, okay, you should get it. Let me go and drink water.
So is that
baby,
why you have to walk all the way from...
me. I said, let me walk and see if I'm still fit. You know how I walk out. Water. I need water. I'm coming. Okay. Baby, I need water.
Welcome, oh. You're very lucky. Very lucky woman. Not like your papa.
Okunya galilo kabalo. Onye kwenki efue. Okunya galilo kabalo. Bombo, bombo. Who no plan well, oh, say which you follow amo. As you make your bed, oh, now so you lie on top am. If you so kata kata, you go rip jaga jaga.
Please, come close. This is a check of 50,000 naira. Please use it and buy clothes for yourself and Jay.
Are you serious? Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'll cash it tomorrow.
Come on, no kiss, no hug, no peg. Show some love.
You okay now?
Yeah, I feel better.
Why are you closing so early?
My dear, I'm not closing. I want to quickly get to the bank and do some transaction.
Bank?
Yes.
Why? You don't have to go to the bank to do any transaction. Why don't you just stay in your house and use your phone and do any transaction you want to?
My husband wrote me a check of 50,000 naira last night to buy some clothes for myself and Jade. So I want to quickly withdraw it.
Why is that Kennedy so stingy? You mean he gave you 50,000 naira for you and Jade? That 50,000 naira that he gave you is what my husband gives me monthly. Apart from that, he gives me money to use and cook and do other things separately. It's not in the salary.
Hey! Anyway, Wilfred, I've always known you a lucky woman.
I didn't even tell you. Do you know that my husband used to give me his salary to keep for him? Yes. At least with that, I can even take out money from it whenever I like to do anything that I want. I'm the one that became very uncomfortable with it though. I just decided to stop it. And on top of it, he still gives me money almost every time that I ask. You know?
Can you imagine? Anyway, I've always known my marriage is a mistake.
I've always told you that my husband is a very big gift from God to me.
Wilfred, please, I want to ask you something. Biko, can you just take me to that place you brought the charm that you're using holding me?
God forbid. I cannot do that. Why are you saying anything like this? I've always told you that my husband is a gift from God.
Well, okay, it's okay. No problem.
Don't worry. Just take things easy, eh?
No, Anna, let me just get to the bathroom. Okay.
Have you lost? I want to buy something. I will give you the money tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Oh yeah, now wait. Let me go to the bank and come back, please.
Ewo, obuki sieme. Odimba. Ewe, oyimo kidio. Odimba. Ewo, obuki sieme.
Hey, things have not been working out as planned, but I will keep pushing.
Are you complaining? What about me? It's not been easy either. Especially when you have a woman like Winifred. She's a whole lot of trouble.
Are you serious?
I'm not kidding you.
You are blessed then, because my own wife, she's what I call rattlesnake. She nags unnecessarily, she picks up quarrel, she fights me.
What is happening to us? How did we land ourselves this kind of people?
Honestly speaking, I regret getting married. I regret getting married.
Darling.
Yeah.
Honey, please come.
Alright, my wife's calling me, let me see that.
Okay.
I drink this.
Give me that money for me to use and go shopping for me and Daisy. I'm not leaving you today.
Please, I've told you, I don't have money. Times are hard. I don't have money for shopping.
That money is story for the gods. If you don't give me that money today, this house is not contain us.
And if you don't give me now, I will so deal with you. What? Like it!
Mike! Winifred!
Yes!
Are you guys okay? I heard my brother scream.
We are playing romantically, you know, because we're the only ones in the house.
Wow, I see. Alright. You guys should have fun. Enjoy yourself. In fact, make him scream more.
You are welcome, brother-in-law. Thank you.
Blood, I'm so happy you are well again.
Yeah, what of room? After God, you both are the next secret to my health and happiness. And God will abundantly bless both of you for me. Amen.
You are now our sister, and we'll do anything to make sure you live for us.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okunya lilo kabalo, onye kwenki efue. Okunya lilo kabalo, bombo, bombo. Who no plan well, say which you follow amo. As you make your bed, na so you lie on top am. If you sow kata kata, you go reap jaga jaga. If you sow tomato, you go chop tomato. Aye.
So,
Ken, the 50,000 naira you gave me to shop with was not enough to buy anything for I and Jade.
So,
give me more money.
did you ask me for any money before I gave you that 50,000 naira?
Ken, I must not ask you. Other men save their salary in their wife's account. So why is your own different?
Other men save their salary in their wife's accounts.
Yes.
I can see you are the Delilah of our generation. Trust me, I won't be your Samson.
Ken, you're stupid. Yes. Little money other men gives their wife as daily allowance. Come on, 50,000 naira. That is what you give to me. Anyway, I don't blame you now. You have very poor mind.
It's not your fault. I don't blame you at all. I blame myself for giving you 50,000 naira for no reason.
Okunya galilo kabalo, onye kwenki efue. Okunya galilo kabalo, bombo, bombo. Who no plan well, say which you follow amo. As you make your bed, na so you lie on top am. If you sow kata kata, you go reap jaga jaga. If you sow tomato, you go chop tomato. Hey.
Oh, I see that. Good morning. How are you? Can you just help me sweep my portion as well?
No problem.
Yes. Thanks.
Sylvia, hey. She cannot though. She has so many things to do inside the house. Please.
It's okay. Don't worry, oh.
Sorry.
What's the matter?
You don't want to receive yourself with this man. You don't want to. Sorry for yourself, monkey, scallywag. You go, Silva will feed you. Let me see you sweep. And I will help you. Come on, sweetheart. You know I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Because you will help her. Sweep, let me see you help her. Okay. You see whether I will pay your salary. Sweep this thing.
Ken, I was deeply hurt by someone today.
Really? By who?
I asked Elizabeth, Wilfred's maid, to help me sweep our own portion of the compound since I was very busy. But Wilfred refused.
But she can't just refuse without reason.
No, she only said that Elizabeth has a lot of things to do in the house. I was just so...
Don't worry. Once in a while, when I'm less busy, I'll help you do the sweeping.
Really? Thank you.
You're welcome. Morning, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine. And where is your wife?
My wife is inside.
Really? And you are sweeping the compound. This is a woman's duty.
My wife is very, very busy inside. Besides, I'm free today, so I decided to help her.
Oh. Hi, Ken. You're a very nice man. Hi. Well, I pray with all these things that you're doing. I just hope that Sylvia will change to a better person.
Well, I pray and hope so too. But as a living soul, I will try my best and leave the rest for God.
Amen. Thank you. Sylvia, I was happy and surprised at the same time when I saw him sweeping the compound. That is the way it should be. Eh? These are husbands that are supposed to be our helpmates.
That is just it. See, he did the right thing. You understand? There are lots of chores to do in this house. And I can't be doing it all by myself.
Bam!
He has to help.
Thumbs up, thumb up, thumb two. Now that you have gotten him to sweep the compound, you also have to get him to do those other chores. And also wash plates, just the way my husband does.
I'll do it.
Madam, I'm ready to go to the market.
Bianca, use this money and buy a crate of eggs for me. Don't forget the big ones.
Okay, Madam.
Go fast, so that you will come back and make dinner. Okay. Go fast,
Okay.
Buy everything fast,
Okay, big eggs,
Sylvia, don't you think it's time you get yourself a house help?
My dear, I really want to, but my husband refused.
Your husband? If you keep waiting for your husband's approval, he will accept. Never accept. You need to insist. You need someone to help you.
My dear Wilfred, Kennedy is not as easygoing as your husband Michael, who does virtually everything in the house. Kennedy is not like that. But I'll see what I can do about it. He needs to help me out before I start developing wrinkles.
Ewo, obuki sieme, odima. Ewe, oyimo kidio, odima. Ewo, obuki sieme, odima.
Yeah?
Can you take me to the market? I want to buy some things.
Sorry, love, I can't. I have a seminar to present in my office in the next 1 hour. Okay?
Ken, you always have excuse. But you have to take me to the market this morning.
I just said I have a seminar to present in my office in the next 1 hour. Do you want me to lose my job?
It's always your job. You're taking me to the market now.
Listen, love, it's too early to pick up a fight. This is 5,000 naira. You can board a cab, okay?
It's not enough. You have to take me to the market right now, this minute.
Listen, it's too early to pick up a fight. Board a cab.
I can't board a cab at all. Do you ever think of your family? Why is it your job? Leave me. Which one? Rico, take me to the market.
It's okay. Just turn around, let me drop.
Better. You only understand the language of quarrel and fight.
How long will it take you to wash ordinary clothes?
Madam, I'm done with the clothes, but those clothes are not ordinary clothes, so they are too much.
Shut up! Go and clean up my room and Daisy's.
Okay, ma.
Have you swept the compound this morning?
Not yet, no.
Elizabeth, why do I pay you? Do I have to remind you of every single thing you ought to do? Come on, go and sweep the compound.
Okay, ma.
Come. Make sure you sweep just a portion. I'm true. Go and make dinner.
Not at all. Never. Not again will Elizabeth cook in this house.
That's better. Then you go and do the cooking.
Winifred, what kind of woman are you? Do you realize you're a woman? And somebody's wife at that? Eh? How comfortable do you feel sending your fellow woman on an errand in the house while you just sit down here, drop your legs on the table and just been painting?
Keep ranting like a fool. When you finish, you go and make the dinner.
Rose, you've been moody for some days now, and it doesn't make us happy. What is the problem? Please, share it with us. Huh?
Rose, have we not been fair to you? Have we hurt you or offended you in any way?
You both have been so wonderful to me, and I can't ask for any more love than you've already shown me. Really.
Then, what is the problem?
Rose, say something. I feel so incomplete whenever I think of my family. At the same time, I don't want to go home, but I still have them in my heart, and I remember how loving and kind they used to be. I just miss them a lot. Why not forgive them and go back to them? Huh? I don't hold any grudges against them. I just don't want to go to the family house for the sake of peace. I still have them here in my heart, but I can't go back home.
It's
okay, my dear. I won't force you to go. But whenever you decide to go back to them, home support. Thank you so much, both of you. Thank you. You guys are so wonderful.
Without you, I am losing it all. Onye kwenki efue, okonya walelo kamalo, bombo, bombo. Who no plan well, say which you follow amo. As you make your bed, don't say you lie on top of. If you so kata kata, you go rip jaga jaga. If you so.
Who is that?
It's me, Sylvia.
Jesus.
Where is Wilfred?
She's not around.
Well, I've been in the shop since morning and I didn't see her go out.
I don't know.
Okay, anyway, when she returns, tell her I came.
Okay.
Right.
Bye bye.
Alright.
So as I was saying, why don't we do it this way?
Good plan, sir.
Morning. Hold on. Elizabeth, please help me tell my wife to give you a charge card of 1,000 naira.
Okay, sir.
So my guy, what's up now? Okay. Okay.
Brother Kennedy said you should give me a recharge card of 1.5.
Where's the money?
He did not give me any money.
He's such a fool. So he didn't give you money and he sent you to my shop to come and collect card. Do I manufacture card? Do I manufacture card? Where do you want me to get card from? Is he not a stupid man?
Madam, it's okay now. Why are you insulting your husband like that?
From where? Because drink your mineral and stop interfering in my family affair. Organism.
Sorry.
Elizabeth.
Brother,
What's keeping you?
I said I should collect money for the car.
Sylvia, I sent for a recharge card.
Where is the money? Where is the money? I don't understand. So you don't have shame. So you walked all the way from the house to this shop to come and collect card on credit. From the shop you refused investing in. Ah, Kennedy.
Do you realize you're in public and you're talking to your husband?
What public? Kennedy, even if you have public, I'll talk to you in public. Eh? Why would you come here and say I should give you card on credit? Do I manufacture card? And I manufacture card.
Look at the way you're talking to your husband.
Husband, do you behave like one? Do you behave like one?
I don't behave like one.
Kennedy, you don't behave like husband. I don't know what you expect. In fact, Kennedy, look at my shop. You go to shop for Anya. You refuse the investment and you're here acting on credit.
Sylvia, it's obvious you lack control. At the time. Give me a recharge Baby, come to bed. Go inside now. Why are you here?
Baby, I'm sorry, okay? Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for beating you up. I'm sorry for abandoning you. You know, I've not done that before. You pushed me to the wall. I'm sorry. I promise I will never ever touch you again. Okay?
Get your hands off me, you devil.
I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay?
Wilfred. Hey, where have you been?
That is to say you did not even bother to ask after me, because if you did, they would have told you that I traveled.
How will you say that? I asked Elizabeth, but she said you only went out.
Don't mind that stupid girl. He's my husband though. One morning he just woke up and told me he made a reservation for me at Obudukato Ranch. I just packed my things though and went there to stay for a while.
Yeah, you're so lucky. Unlike me, Wilfred, you won't believe. Kennedy, your husband brother, beat me up and disgraced me along the streets.
What? Are you serious?
It didn't end there. When I went inside to rest on my own, this man still came to me and asked for food.
Ha! That is wickedness. How can a man that you change your surname to his have the mind to beat you? my husband tries any nonsense, I will just simply divorce him. What nonsense is that?
Kennedy asked for trouble. Me, I'll give him double.
That is what it should be. Don't even allow any man to take you as a piece of trash. Don't even allow any man.
Forbid! I won't allow that though. Anyway, forget the living dead. So, how is the Wakati that should be dying to be dead?
It's not something to gist though. Because if I start gisting you, when will I start from? You need to go there and see for yourself.
Show me the pictures you took there. I want to see them. Please.
Sylvia, don't even remind me what I'm trying so hard to forget. Immediately I came back, Daisy formatted my phone. All my pictures, everything I had, even the one I had the last time we traveled, everything just disappeared. Now.
Okay, fine. But the Obudu really changed you. See your glasses. Can I just have it?
Hey, it's medicated though. Hey. I developed eye problem while there. Too much sightseeing, so my husband bought it for me. Please, just give me more to drink.
Okay. Yeah. Sit down. Come in.
Goddy, my dear, no matter the situation, you shouldn't have laid your hands on your wife. This is unlike you. Eh? Mama. And you, Beatrice. You should learn to respect your husband. Don't run your mouth like typewriter on your husband. Eh? Children of nowadays, I don't know where you people learn all these silly attitudes. During our time, we don't behave this well. We respect our husbands. Eh? We don't even talk when they are talking. In any slight mistake, you will be on your knees, begging. Apologize till your husband forgives you. Nowadays, I don't know. Because you people don't respect your husband, it's every time quarrel, which is not good. My dear, if you respect your husband, peace will reign. Name. Oh? Goddy, my dear, please, forgive her.
Thank you very much.
Please forgive me. It's all temptations. I promise I won't do it again. Please.
It's okay. It's okay. Sit down. Mama, I'd like to thank you once again for everything, for saving my marriage and for every other marriage you've saved in this community. May God bless you.
Amen. Oh.
Thank you.
We thank God. Thank God. Mama, thank you very much. I guess we have to be on our way.
My dear, please, remember what I told you. If you respect your husband, there will be no quarrel. Even the Bible gave us that instruction. Wife, obey your husband. Huh? You know?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, Sylvia. Hello? Mama, Kennedy has killed me.
What happened?
That man has turned me into a punching bag. He beats me every now and then. In fact, Mama, I'm not in prison. I'm no longer in marriage.
Is it Kennedy that I know or another Kennedy?
The Kennedy you know, the one you gave my hand in marriage to.
No. It's not the one I gave your hand in marriage to. It's the one you accepted to marry.
See, Mama, whatever. The truth is that I'm coming back.
So where? Okay, don't worry. I will come and know what the problem is.
Start coming now before that vampire kills me.
Oh, daughter, don't worry. He will not kill you. Huh?
See, if I just wait for you and I don't see you, I'll just start coming home.
Don't come back home. Just be patient. I will come soonest. Sylvia. Hello?
this girl has cut this call. Anyway, I'll have to hurry and know what the problem is.
Who no plan well, oh, say which you follow am, oh. As you make your bed, oh, now so you lie on top am.
I wonder where Rose is and how she is faring. I made a very big mistake by throwing my sister out because of my wife. Our parents will be so ashamed of me in their graves. I will not rest until I find Rose and make peace. My conscience is tormenting me.
What did you say happened to her?
Rose is very sick now and needs you.
As the husband already.
Joe, please follow me to the house. I don't have any means of bringing her here.
Nah. Also, your problem is too much. I'm even getting tired of always rolling to my tummy. Every small thing you run to me. Go and bring her. Nah, you can't go and bring her. I can't go with you. No, you make a problem.
Oyi na tumo, isi na wamo, aradi rozimu kodimbo, ifa neme ne utemo, amarozimi fengeme, anyatala kukobo tweza nyisi achae. Biko zanumo abakutana mazue. Without you, I am losing it all. Without you, I am losing my mind. Without you, I am losing.
Can you just give me your ear now, please? I've been talking to you in the room. You've not been listening to me. Please, I need Elizabeth's money. I've been owed her for like 2 months now.
Did I ever ask for a house help in this house? You were the one who chose to get more. So go ahead and sort out your problem.
Honey, you're my husband. Whatever concerns me also concerns you.
First of all, I need to get something clear here. We have 2 husbands in this house. You and me. So why don't you go ahead and sort out your problems like every other man out there? I'm not trying to play a good word just because I'm having problems. By the way, when did you start calling me honey and all that? Then play on.
Ozo. What did you say this girl is again, sir?
She's my mother's sister's child.
Your mother's sister's child?
Yes.
Meaning that she's your cousin now?
Yes.
Anyway, you see this girl? As you are looking at this girl now, this girl is gone. You have to take her to a very big hospital so that they will do her proper medical examination. You have to examine every part of her body. If you don't take her to the hospital, this person will die. As I'm talking to you now, so you have to take her to the hospital as soon as possible, and it will require a huge amount of money.
Mbao, I don't know how.
Meaning? What What do you mean by I don't know her? You don't know her. Ini Edo. Wait, you don't know this girl. You know about her for paracetamol, about for Panadol, and you don't know her. Yeah, is it true? Eh? Hey, okay, you don't know her. Even me, Joe, I have not seen you for the first time. Huh? I have not given you my paracetamol, my Panadol. Luna, come! Come, show me about this. When you walk out, come on, bring up, Weber. Let me tell you, I'm not saying it's not good. When you're waking up, I see no more. Police, I see no more. Hey! You don't know her, you don't know her.
Wilfred, please. You know you're not just my co-wife, but my sister. Biko, I want you to take me to wherever you got the charm you're using to hold your husband. Biko, I also need that charm. See, I need my husband to love me the same way your husband does to you. Nobody will hear this. It's just between the two of us. I promise. Makachineki.
Sylvia. Oh. Sylvia. The truth is, my husband loves me unconditionally. He loves me against all odds. That is the reason why he treats me like a queen. There's nothing more, I swear. But another thing is, I do not tolerate nonsense from him. So with that, he respects me and also respects himself.
I have done that to Kennedy, but he gets worse by the day.
Try harder. The tougher you get, the easier it becomes.
Is that not my mother?
That's my mother coming. Hey, Mama.
Hey, Mama. Oh.
Hey,
hey,
Mama.
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 How are you?
Mama.
Wilfred. Mama, how are you? Mama. Hey, thank you. Come on. How are you?
Mama, come inside. It's too much.
How are you? I'm fine. So, Mama, you won't understand. If you had seen me last week, Kennedy gave me the beating of my life. Eh? You needed to have seen my face. This my eyes. All my face was so swollen that I couldn't even see anything properly.
Was it that serious? But the in-law I know is a gentleman. How come he changed overnight?
Kennedy, gentle. Which gentleman? Mama, Kennedy is a wolf in sheep clothing. Kennedy hides under his sheep clothes.
Does he smoke wee-wee or drink too much alcohol?
No, never seen him.
Is he keeping a extramarital affair? That is, you know now.
Mama, none that I know of.
That means something was wrong somewhere. Yes, but now that I am here, I am going to find out where the problem is coming from by myself.
Mama, all these things. Mama, just if Kennedy comes back, Kukasia everywhere. I don't know that we are talking about here now. Kukasia.
Madam, it's been up to 2 months now. You have not paid me my salary.
Is that why you're putting your hand on your weight? Please, I will pay you as soon as I collect money from my husband. Just try and exercise some patience for me.
Madam, if I wait up to next week and you did not pay me my salary, I will go on strike.
I will pay you!
Me, I've said my own. Oh. I've said my own.
But why is Auntie Emi special tonight?
Don't mind her, because of small money. Chicken money.
Mama, the moment my wife called me and said you were around, I had to abandon what I was doing in the office. Just rush down here and see you because I've really, really missed you. Hope you won't be in a rush this time.
My son, I would have loved to. But nobody to take care of my goats and my farm. I even took my goats to my brother to look after them till I return. So you see, I will come back.
Mama. Your goats and farm.
Wait. Mama, wait. Don't tell me that the reason you called us out here is to talk about goats and farm. When I told you that Kennedy here wants to kill me, and you're here talking about goat and farm, instead of you to talk to him.
Sylvia, is this how to present issues? Who taught you this? Where are your manners?
Mama, Kennedy has hit off my manners. This Adolf Hitler, he has hit off my manners. Which one is manners? He has beaten off my manners. Kennedy beats me every now and then. Mama is taking me aside. He's not to come here and talk to Kennedy. Don't do it, oh. Let me talk to him myself. I've said it, oh. If you're not going to talk to Kennedy, you better leave me.
Sylvia, it's only an evil mother that misleads her child. I cannot mislead you. From my observations, you don't have a single respect for your husband.
Mama, Kennedy doesn't deserve my respect. And I will not respect him until he changes.
What does he do wrong?
Everything. He does everything wrongly. The way he talks, the way he breathes, the way he walks. In fact, Mama, when home,
my child, the path you are towing is a very wrong one.
Mother, on whose side are you?
The side of truth. The day Kennedy paid your bride price, automatically he became my son. I cannot rob Peter to pay Paul.
He fetched the ant-infested firewood, so I'm sure he is expecting lizards.
Oh. You now use adage on your mother. The same Igbo adage says, what an old woman sees seated, even if a child climbs the tallest Iroko tree, he can never see it.
I am your child. You should have my well-being at heart.
A child is a child and deserves to be treated well. Do not expect preferential treatment from you when you are wrong. Sylvia, change. The Bible says, wife, obey your husband.
And husband, love your wife. Or are you leaving that out? I don't know what kind of problem is this. Which mother would ever prefer a stranger to her own child?
What did you say?
This one is too much.
Sylvia, did you notice anything between Wilfred and Michael?
Anything like what?
I don't think they are in love. There is something strange about them.
Mama, the problem about you is that you don't even know couple that are in love when you see one. Yes. It's only a blind man that will see Wilfred and Michael and still say they are not in love.
Well, as you lay your bed, so shall you lie in it.
Oh, so bad.
The amount of love you give to your husband is what you get in return. Mama, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Please come, I want to tell you something.
Hurry.
Can I get 20,000 naira from
you, please. It's very urgent. I need to start do something immediately.
Fred, I'm sorry. The last money I had, I just used it in buying some goods.
Hey! What am I going to do now?
But you can go to the bank now. You have more than that in your account.
Yes. My BVN has issues.
But we did BVN the other day and we linked it together.
Yes. I didn't tell you. The bank called me this morning that my account didn't link properly. I have to go back there and do it, but I need this money immediately.
Okay, you know what? Don't worry. I'll get it from my husband. Calm down.
Eh? Hey! Thank you. Thank you, Sylvia. But don't tell your husband that you're collecting the money from me. Because my husband just gave me 200,000 3 days ago. And you know now, if he finds out about this, he will say I mismanaged the money he gave me.
Don't worry. I won't tell him.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright.
Are you bringing it?
I'll bring it. I'll collect it from me. Don't worry.
I'm waiting.
Just calm down. I'm waiting.
What does she want?
She said I should give her 20,000.
Elizabeth! Elizabeth! Elizabeth!
Go and get me a glass of water.
Madam, I've stopped running errands in this house until you pay me my money.
Well then, since you're of no use anymore to me, you have to leave.
Hey! Madam, I'm going nowhere. Until you pay me the last kobo. Until you pay me my money, I'm not going anywhere.
Hey!
In my own house.
Are you mad? Hey! Madam, you dey try me! Fully friend, I mean it! You don't pay me my money after they work for you. You don't pay me my money, I beg. Which one is this? I can show you that you dey try to pay your money. Anyway, why they never for me? Don't pay me my money. Leave this woman alone. If they owe me since paying my money, they push me. Madam, I go use what to scatter your head. Me, I be ghetto girl, oh. Forget how they calm down for you. Since I know something. I be ghetto girl.
It's okay.
Go bring my money.
It's okay.
Go bring my money now.
I will pay you now. Now.
Go bring my money.
If you sow kata kata, you go reap jaga jaga. If you sow tomato, you go chop tomato. Aye.
Please, can I get that 20,000 naira I asked you?
My dear, I didn't get it too. I don't have it.
But why? You promised to collect from your husband.
I couldn't get it. Hey.
Winifred, I can see you are the problem that my daughter is having in this marriage. You are the one beating the sugar that my daughter has been dancing. How can you ask your fellow wife to get 20,000 naira from her husband for you? Alonapo.
Mama, you're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing
If I
me.
get pin from you again, I will tell you that I'm the one who gave birth to you. Yeah, Winifred, leave Sylvia and her family alone. Do you hear me? You are an elder to Sylvia, both marriage-wise and age-wise. And I expected you to affect her positively, not the other way around. Do you hear me?
Hey! Mama, you have to stop embarrassing me.
Mama, you have to get the fellow woman.
Hey, easy. Hey! Mama, you're embarrassing me in my husband's house. How can you say that Wilfred is deceiving me? Let me tell you what you don't know. You see that lady? She's somebody I look up to. She has a very happy home.
Happy home indeed. Happy home indeed. Sylvia,
You are yet to understand what you are doing to yourself.
I don't want to understand. I don't want to understand that type.
Ewo, obukisi eme, odimma. Ewe, oyimo ki.
Understand what?
Odimma. Ewo.
Mama, do you know that marriage is not by force? Marriage is not by force, so me, I am tired.
One thing you should know is that once you are married, you are married. There is no going back.
Mama, I'm not coming back to it. It's my husband's house. It's my father's house, so.
Didn't you see the way your mother embarrassed me the other day?
That is just the problem. That is the problem. My mother wants to wreck my marriage. See, please, I just need your help right now. My mother cannot stand up to my husband and tell him that what he is doing is wrong. And that is aggravating all the problems in my marriage.
You just have to take things easy. I don't know what Kennedy must have told your mother that will make her turn against her own child.
That is the problem. That is it. Please, Wilfred, just tell me the secret to your happy home.
Sylvia, look at me very well. I am a strong woman and I do not tolerate any nonsense. So with that, my husband respects it. So me, I would advise you to just take things easy. All will be fine. I think you should go now. I don't want her trouble before she sees you.
Wilfred, is that all?
Okunya galilo kabalo, onye kwenki efue. Okunya galilo kabalo, bombo. Who no plan well, say which you follow amo. As you make your bed, na so you lie on top am. If you sow kata, you go reap jaga. If you sow tomato, you go chop tomato. Aye.
You guys are playing it.
Oh. Don't eat it out. Don't. I
Rose,
told you.
I know you don't like it when we talk about your family. But I'm sorry. We have to.
Rose. Where will I go? Huh? Don't feel that we are trying to spoil your day. I'm listening.
Don't you think you need to contact your family?
Why should I contact them? I don't need anything from them.
Okay, I understand. but I urge you to give us the contact. Maybe home address or phone number, at least for safety purpose.
I don't think any of this is necessary. I am safe and happy here.
Rose, I know, but it's very, very important. Please.
Okay, I think I remember Michael's number. I can't remember that of Kennedy.
Okay.
0803 210.
Ouch!
Wait, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
I just felt a sharp pain.
Sorry.
Oh!
Calm down. Sorry,
It's okay. Sorry. Sorry, oh. You have to rest.
This marriage is over. If I see you anywhere,